Hi, are you someone who wants to get a better grip on your sales, revenue, and profit without spending on expensive apps? In this video, I will show you how to set up financial reporting and profit tracking using a completely free app called Report Toaster. Let's jump in. First, go to Shopify App Store and search for Report Toaster. It's a free reporting app trusted by thousands of Shopify sellers. And here it has a free plan here. And now we click on install. It will automatically sync with your shop in seconds. And again we click install. Once installed, you will land on the Report Toaster dashboard. On the left, you will see a library of powerful financial reports, including sales, returns, shipping revenue, taxes, and more. For example, we click on here, sales over time, and click on 30-day summary. It will show us the graph. Here are the sales over time, and here will be the graphs based on this. Or we can go to the profits and click on profit by month, and it will show this here according to the details below and according to the graph here. Here you can download it as a CSV, PDF, and JSON. You can also filter it using features like here, and you can also check which parameters you want to add and which parameters you want to delete. Like if you want, you can also add titles here for the first visit, like if this is the first order for the products, and if you want to check which product has high popularity, like that. And here you can also display chart filter, or if you don't want, you can simply delete it by using this. And now for overall profit tracking, check out the finances summary, which is inside the financial. And here, this report gives you a clear snapshot of total sales, returns, discounts, shipping collected, and net sales after fees. And as mentioned, you can export any report to CSV and analyze your numbers in Excel or Google Sheets. Perfect for tracking your net profit manually with cost of goods and fees. The best part? Report Toaster is free for stores up to 1000 orders per month, making it ideal for growing businesses that want real insights without extra costs. So, if you're ready to take control of your store finances without getting overwhelmed, give Report Toaster a try. Like this video if you find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple Shopify tips. Thanks for watching.